The Intel Core i7-13.7KF is a high-performance CPU with multiple cores and threads, designed for gaming and heavy multitasking. The 32 GB of RAM provides ample memory capacity for smooth multitasking and running resource-intensive programs. The NVIDIA 4090 graphics card is unopened, so we use 1080 card for test a high-end GPU designed for gaming, content creation, and other graphics-intensive tasks. The Asus ROG Z790E motherboard is a premium motherboard that supports DDR5 memory, providing faster data transfer rates compared to its predecessor, DDR4. It offers a range of features such as multiple expansion slots, robust power delivery, and advanced connectivity options. Overall, this PC configuration seems to be quite powerful and suitable for gaming, content creation, and resource-intensive tasks.